Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our Classic Series 100 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge. It's available in a white face, an antique white face, and a black face. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a vintage style 52mm analog 100 PSI fuel pressure gauge. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness, a pressure sensor, a mounting bracket with hardware, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.